Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see detailed comparison of iPhone 14 Pro Max to 15 Pro Max. What is the new and it's really to buy this new product or not. I am purchasing this new product because of I like Apple product and I won't change every year. Just enough 12 months is a one phone. That's why I'm purchasing the new iPhone 15 Pro Max, and in this video I'm providing you detailed demonstration of comparison, where is the change, what is exactly change and really need to purchase. I will provide you detailed demonstration like a body structure as well as camera setting and some other information and as well as price. First of all, I'm telling you the price. Last year I'm purchasing this product here in Copenhagen, Denmark, around 11,499 Danish krona, and this year I'm purchasing iPhone 15 Pro Max 11,789 Danish krona, and this is a storage of 128 gigabyte and this storage is a 258. Double storage I am receiving and I pay extra just only 289 Danish krona. So that is a big difference as a price here in Copenhagen, Denmark. If you purchase this product in US and Canada, like you pay extra $100 or less $50 like this in between. The price is available on website. So now I will show you first of all the body. Here old iPhone, the silent button comes here like this. Noise is coming, but this year they are just providing action button. If you press here, silent options are coming. So this is a big difference they are telling, but as my experience, this one is the best option to silent your phone, because of if you press this one, so you 100% sure now my mobile is silent. But this one is a little complicated. You always see the screen, okay, ringing option come or silent option come or not. This is a disadvantage. Yeah, as a weighting point of view, yeah, it's little, just only 1 gram is less compared to this one. And next important points as a feeling after taking this both phones. So of course this one is quite interesting and it's really flexible and look like good, but this one is an old one, just like some scroll. This area is a little hard. Now I will record the screen and I will show you some of the important camera setting and remaining option. So this way is iPhone 15 Pro Max and this way is iPhone 14 Pro Max. So now first of all I just simply open here setting. This is my iPhone 15 Pro Max setting. So look at this. This is the setting. I just simply scroll down and you can see the features. Like a first feature, similar kind of same, nothing changed. Notifications, sound, focus, screen time is the same. General, control panel, display and brightness. And 15 Pro Max, they are introducing action button. So you just simply click here and decide action button. If you want learn related on action button, I already make a separate video how to fix the action button related information. So they are adding the action button option here in the new iPhone, and remaining like a display brightness, same, home screen, accessibility, wallpaper, standby, Apple Siri, Face ID, emergency SOS, explore notification, battery, privacy setting, and remaining information they are providing same, nothing change, all are same. If you open here Apple Wallet, so Apple Wallet also same, nothing change, entire as it is in old iPhone. They are introducing all features are same. As I'm purchasing new iPhone, so I always focus in camera features. So we will see camera features in this video comparison, and look at this here, some of the important camera setting. If you want learn as a camera setting, if you want learn more in camera setting in 15 Pro Max, I already make a dedicated video related on camera setting. You can watch this video link is available on video description. So look at this here, first option, I just simply open here, record the video. So look at this here, some of the options similar kind of same. First option, 720 megapixel 720 HD, 720 pixel HD, same option. And this year they are introducing PAL option. This is a new of specific on television or big screen. That's why they are introducing these features. If you use these features and record the video, so you can very easily watch this video as a big screen and television. Especially they are introducing this one, you can use these features for the recording the entire movies also using these features. So that one is really interesting of new one. Next option, all options are similar kind of same, just they are introducing as a 4K PLA and 1080 PLA also they are providing. And one more here, the 4K plus high efficiency option they are providing here in the record the video. Last year this option is not available here, but this year they are providing bunch of options like a 4K related 4 options are available. Last year they are providing 3, and 1080 pixel related option they are providing 3. Last year we are receiving like a 2 options, and similar kind of same. If you scroll down here, show PLA format, here is also available PLA format, enhanced stability. So this options also last year available. This year similar kind of other option. Look at this here, the action HDR video. Here HDR video, just only HDR video, but here HDR video in high efficiency option they are providing. Look at this here, 10 pixel per second, but here the remaining informations are same, record up to, look at this here, HDR video, and here HDR video high efficiency. In the bottom of line the notification is coming here, record up to 60 frame per second video in 10-bit high dynamic range including Dolby Vision. The same line they are providing in new iPhone, nothing too much change here. Auto frame per second, last year also we are receiving auto frame per second, the same option they are introducing this year also. And look at this here, slow motion. If you click here, the slow motion we are receiving here last year in 2 options like a 1080 pixel 120 frame per second and 240 frame per second. This year they are introducing same as it is, like one is a high efficiency, but we are receiving last year also in 280 pixel 1080 at 240 pixel per inch. This year they just add 720 pixel also and 240 frame per second option. So this is a little change, not so. Cinematic point of view they are not changed as a single features, same, nothing changed. If you scroll down here, format, high efficiency, most compatibility, I always use this one. You can use here Pro Max default. So look at this here, this time they are introducing photo mode as a 24 megapixel like in your DSLR. This year they are introducing like a night mode features, flash, portability, save this video at 12 megapixel and 24 megapixel. This format, this is a big master change they are introducing here. This one photo mode, last year this option is not available, but if you go here, so this year they are introducing 24 megapixel, again 48 and 24. One camera comes in 48 megapixel and one camera comes in 48 megapixel and one camera comes in 24 megapixel. One camera is a 12 megapixel. Next year they are introducing here in the 24 megapixel, and this is a new iPhone. So such kind of sometimes shit's also introducing in iPhone. And remaining options similar kind of same. We can go back here, previous setting, here the remaining settings similar kind of same and change, nothing big change to the capture the video and remaining process. So this is the best camera settings also, both devices 14 Pro Max and 15 Pro Max. So this is a big change as a camera perspective, as a my point of view. And if you're paying that much amount, so you can receive the storage also here, like iPhone storage, like this is a storage of same price you pay and receive 128 gigabyte, and here you receive 256 gigabyte storage. And this is the best storage of iPhone, not you are not able to purchase 128 gigabytes. So this is the sum of the comparison of iPhone 14 Pro Max and 15 Pro Max. So if you really like this comparison of this both devices, you can share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.